Now it is the time of Gen Zs with the money. Gen Alpha will come in and they'll say, "Who human? I don't want." You have to reach different parts of India. वो physically impossible है. So technology will 100% play a very large role. लेकिन जहाँ पे ह्यूमन टच आता है एंड इट नीड नॉट ओनली बी फिजिकल इन द सेंस इट नॉट बी इन पर्सन, इट कैन ऑल्सो बी वर्चुअल, it can also be over the phone. There are different ways to scale. It can also be on chat. So that touch, what happens is today in matters of finance, trust plays a very important role. And while we are getting comfortable with faceless apps and using them, when it comes to money, people are still a little more conservative.
बिल्कुल.
They would still prefer having somebody on the other side gives them that extra 1% of comfort over this. With time, I'm sure this trend will change. I mean, now it is the time of Gen Zs with the money. Gen Alpha will come in and they'll say, "Who human? I don't want." Yeah? So I think you have to move with the time. I mean, 2010s, late 2000s, between 2000 2010, human and branches. People used to measure bank valuations with the number of branches they opened. That used to be a
बिल्कुल.
metric,
Yeah.
right? Then after that, that's changed. Now it's become number of RMs that you have. And with time, it'll probably be number of AI agents that you operate in. So it's going to change with time. I think you have to be what works today. You have to have that as a business and keep an eye out on the future and build for that. So I think where the human touch comes in is often the entire delivery is via the app. आपको रिसर्च भी वहीं से आता है, प्लेटफॉर्म भी वही है. द ह्यूमन इंटरफेस इज ओनली टू ऐड दैट लेयर ऑफ कंफर्ट. वही चीज़ वो दोहराता है, वही चीज़ वो बोलता है एंड लोगों को थोड़ा कंफर्ट होता है. हाँ, अगर मुझे कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, मैं किससे बात कर सकता हूँ. इट कुड बी एज सिंपल एज अ ऑपरेशनल इश्यू, मेरा पेमेंट कहीं कुछ अटक गया है या मेरे यूनिट्स मेरे को ठीक से दिख नहीं रहे हैं. तो वो कंफर्ट उनको एक ह्यूमन से आता है डिस्पाइट एवरीथिंग बीइंग देयर एंड दैट्स टुडेज रियलिटी. मे बी इन फ्यूचर वो चेंज होगा एंड वील बी रेडी फॉर दैट. बट टुडे मिक्स इज इंपॉर्टेंट. Need not only be in person, even somebody on the phone is also equally good.